I'm really happy with my kitchen. The space works really well for me. The lads were great. They were really easy to work with. Thanks, lads.
Thanks to Mary for everything. We're delighted we have your kitchen completed and you're happy with it.
And it's lovely to be back and see it all working so well. You measured this one for me. Did you just do it for me or do you do all the measuring?
No, I do all the measuring. We measure up to 4 or 5 worktops per day.
Well, me and you more or less designed it.
Oh,
really.
yeah.
We start with the functionality, but we never compromise on the aesthetics.
No.
And so see this material, this solid surface.
Yeah.
What exactly is this?
This is an engineered stone manufactured by a company called Vico Stone, which is a #1 manufacturer of material for the US market.
All right.
It's the biggest supplier is the US market.
Yeah.
This is why we chose this product.
So if a customer spills a bit of wine on it, or if they leave a bit of meat on it,
it
they don't even have to think about it.
No, it doesn't mark, doesn't stain. If you take it off the next day, it's fine. It's great, yeah.
It's great to have something so bomb-proof.
Yeah,
That's such a high quality.
No, it's a great product, Vico Stone.
Well, I loved this. All I had to do is we looked at this and I said that's going to be the sink unit. Then I gave you the sink and off you went. And then when the lads brought it back in, everything just fits there like a like a glove.
We've every brand of sink is all saved on our machines for cutting out, so it's a matter of just a touch of a button, pick up the sink and away the machine will work away.
How do you take out that sink?
Yeah, it's all done on a computerized machine, from drilling to router and to automatic polishing. So it takes a reasonable amount of time to get the finish on it, but it's finished then, final finish is finished by hand, which only takes about 20 minutes. To finalise the quality of the finish before it leaves the factory for delivery.
I didn't realise you had that stock of stuff. Well, you have a huge amount of stock.
Yeah, we've vast stock of material all the time in stock.
Yeah.
That makes the turnaround so fast.
Yeah. And there's a lovely little pencil artist on that there now. It's lovely. And
yeah, that's the main finish, the modern finish of today. The last couple of years, everything is more modern and less traditional stuff has been done. Now it's more modern. Kitchen tops were done.
And even I didn't know what to do with the backsplash there, the extractor. And when you suggested that, it worked out really well.
Yeah, no, it's a good finish, easy clean, and no need for tiling or introducing more colours.
There's a lot of stone in it between the kitchen here and the island and utility and vanity units and everything. And I'm really pleased with the quality and how easy you make everything.
Yeah.
How is it that you were great value on it? And in fairness, I don't like telling you that because I want to keep the prices the way they are. But how do you do it for such good value?
Because we import the large volumes of containers of stone quartz direct from the factory, so there's no middleman involved.
Well, I look forward to the next one we're doing.
Cheers.